Hi dear students, I hope all are good at home. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about our constitution lesson. So dear students, this is the civic first lesson. Civic first lesson, our constitution. Okay, we can see the keywords for this lesson. Okay, first one, fundamental rights, constitution, secularism, drafting committee, institutions, republic, assembly, government, prominent, justice, representative, authority, preamble, and last one is democratic. So these are the keywords for our constitution lesson. Okay. Dear student, constitution lesson is very important. So we should learn about the constitution. In this lesson we are going to learn about the importance of constitution and meaning of constitution and how to framing the constitution and what are the salient features of constitution. This kind of information we will going to learn. Okay. So first one is meaning of constitution. See here, constitution means a set of basic rules followed by a country. It enumerates the organs of the government, its powers and functions. Then constitution is a reference guide to the government. No one should violate the constitution. See here, no one should violate the constitution. So this constitution is very important. So this constitution give the rights for all equally. So no one should violate the constitution. Okay. Next, dear students, we can see the importance of the constitution. So we can see what are the importance are there. The constitution is prominent as it is the fundamental law of the country. Every has to adhere to it. So we can see one by one what are the importance are there. First one is it protects the rights of the citizen as all are equal before the law. See here, constitution is protect the rights of the citizen. So I was already told you all are equal before the law. Okay, here is there is no rich and poor, there is no discrimination for the constitution. So here the constitution is protect for all are equal before the law. Okay. Next, it functions as a reference guide to the duties to be performed by the government. Next, it coordinates the functions of the democratic institutions such as legislature and executive judiciary. See, it coordinates the functions of the democratic institutions such legislature, executive and judiciary. Point is, it also organizes better relations between the government and the individual. Then Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as its president when the assembly met for the first time. Then there were 299 members in the Constituent Assembly. Then the first session was held on 9th December 1946. Okay, so we can see the when was adopted the constitution. See here, the constitution was adopted on January 26, 1950. Then on November 26th every year the Constitutional Day is celebrated, as it was on November 26, 1949. The constitution was approved by the Constitution Assembly. Okay, so these are the importance of constitution. Okay, understood? See dear students, See the pictures of this great person. See Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. See dear students, framing the constitution, these persons contribution is a lot. So because when Dr. Ambedkar going to frame the constitution, that time he took support from these persons. See Rajendra Prasad also supported to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also. See here, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. So when constitution was going to frame, that time Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Next, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was the chairman of the drafting committee. So in our next video, I'm going to explain about the meaning and importance of the drafting committee. Okay, you can learn that time. Next, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So we already know about him. He was the first Prime Minister of Free India. So dear students, I hope all are understood very well. So you have any doubts and clarification, you can ask in live session. Thank you.